Good morning students. In this class, I'll be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 11th chapter constructions. Exercise 11.1 second sum. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So we are asked to construct a similar triangle. Here this 2 by 3, that is the ratio. We'll name this as the scale factor also. So using this scale factor of 2 by 3, that is ratio of 2 by 3, we are going to construct a triangle that is given with the given measurements are 4, 5 and 6 centimeter. That is the original triangle. From the triangle, for the triangle, we are asked to construct another triangle with the scale factor of 2 by 3. That triangle will be inside this original triangle. So first 4, 5 and 6 centimeter with that measurement we'll construct a triangle. So base we'll take it as 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. So we'll take that as BC. So BC is equal to 6 centimeter. And the other two sides, anything we can take. If we take the largest side in the base, that will be easy. So first one is 4 centimeter. So we'll take 4 centimeter. With C as center, we'll cut an arc, 4 centimeter arc. Then again, with 5 centimeter, with B as center, we'll cut the previous arc. Then we'll join this. So this point is A. So this is A. So AC is 4 centimeter and AB is 5 centimeter. So we have constructed the base triangle. Now with the scale factor we are going to construct a similar triangle to this. So for constructing this, since BC is the base of the triangle with B as center, we'll construct an angle of 60 degree using compass. So this is 60 degree. Then 2 by 3 is the scale factor. So we'll take any measurement and with B as center, we'll cut 3 arcs. So that is 1, 2, and then 3 arcs we'll cut. We'll make that as B1, B2, and then B3. So this B3 and C will join. B3 and C will join. Then we'll draw a line. So this, since this is the second arc, from this point we need to construct a parallel line to B3C. So B2, so we'll take that point where it is going to meet that BC, we'll take that as C dash. So for B3C, we need to construct a parallel line B2C dash. So the construction of parallel line is, so with B3, we'll take any measurement, with B3, take any measurement, cut an arc like this. Then with the same measurement with B2, we'll cut another one. Then we'll measure this angle. We know that the corresponding angles are equal. So we'll measure this. So we'll measure this. So from this point, I've cut an arc here. Then from B2, with the same measurement, I've cut another arc. Then this is the measurement of the angle that I got between the two line here. B3, B3 and CB3. I got an angle here. So for that angle, from this, I will cut an arc. Then if I join that, that will be parallel to this. So this is B2 point. So if we check this, that will be parallel to this B3C. So the point where it touches here, we'll mark it as C dash. So the same procedure we have to do above also here. So with C, any measurement, I'm cutting an arc. Then with C dash, with the same measurement, I'm cutting the arc. Then I am measuring the angle here. Same angle I need to get here. So then if I join the C dash and this point, it will meet that AB at B dash. So that will be parallel to this line. So that will be parallel to this line. So that will be, so this point, at this point it cuts. So that will be parallel to this. So AC and B dash C are parallel to each other. So we'll make this as A dash. So A dash B C dash is the required similar triangle with the scale factor 2/3 of triangle ABC. So ABC is the original triangle and A dash B C dash is a triangle similar to this triangle ABC. So ABC is similar to triangle. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. So when we take this B C dash by C dash C, so the whole thing we can write it as, this is 2 part. B C dash is 2 part divided by C dash C is 1 part. Okay, so now we'll take, if we are taking this BC, if we are taking BC by BC dash, if we are finding the ratio of that side, BC is full 3 part, that is we can write this BC as BC dash plus C dash C divided by BC dash. Okay, so this we can write it as, this BC dash is common to both. So BC dash by BC dash plus C dash C by BC dash. So this is equal to 1 plus C dash C by BC dash. Just I am simplifying it. Okay, so this is equal to 1 plus C dash C is 1 part by BC dash is 2 part. So when we are simplifying this, we'll get it as 3/2. That is BC by BC dash is equal to 3/2. When we are when we are finding the reciprocal of this, BC dash by BC is equal to 2/3. BC dash by BC. BC dash by BC is equal to 2/3. So this is for one side. Okay, so it will be, so the same way we can do for the other sides also. The same way we have constructed A dash C and AC, that is parallel to each other, we have constructed. So one pair is parallel, this side is proportional, that is BC dash and BC sides are proportional, that is 2/3. The same way if we do for the other side also, the same way if we do for the other side also, that is A dash B by AB also will get it as 2/3. So since one pair of sides are parallel and the sides are proportional, the given two triangles are similar. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. So this is the thing we have drawn here. So we are asked to construct similar triangles only. So we have given the justification for that. How we got this. That justification also we got it. Okay. Understood? Thank you.